This new script, company people edit, not only references itself once as a link at the end to display the drop-down, and once in the drop-down to select a company. It also references two other scripts which we've yet to create. One to edit an existing T-person record, and one to insert a new T-person record. The edit existing record is a link in the last column of the table of T-person records. We created the variable person edit link, which is an href to the file person edit form, which we've yet to create, with the query string person ID equals this ID, that is, the person ID from the array. And we put person edit link in the last column of each row. So it says the word edit, and it's a link to this file person edit form. The add new record script is also in the output section, but at the very end. It's an entirely new form to insert a new person. We create the fields for the form, we display the fields and offer a submit button to the form using the post method, and the form we've called insert person.php. So we haven't created those scripts insert person.php or person edit form. However, in both cases, we want a successful update or an insert query to return immediately to the originating script, this one, company people edit, without any user intervention. So we can use the header location construct to do that. But header location needs the company ID to be posted so that the correct company list is displayed. But we can't post data with the header function. We can only send a query string which would need to be captured with get rather than post. And that's why we have this delightful double test at the start of this script. First of all, we test to see whether company ID has been posted to the script, and we say if it's not set, in other words, it hasn't been sent by post, if it's not set, then see if it's been sent with get, and then if it's set, do the processing. Otherwise, present the drop-down so that it can be set with post. So the drop-down sends company ID with post. The other two files, the insert and the update scripts, send company ID back to this script with get. So we're going to capture it one way or the other.